With so many ergonomic and multifunctional mouse out there, is the MX Master 3 still any good in 2023? Let's check it out. First, let's start off with design. The MX Master 3 is a sleek and stylish mouse with a premium feel. For my use, it's very comfortable in the hand, with a contoured shape that can fit most grip styles. The thumb rest is also particularly comfortable and makes it easy to use for extended periods of time. Now, personally, I don't have really big hands. If anything, I'm on the smaller side. And here are just my hand measurements to compare for yourself. And this is what it looks like with my hand on the mouse. Now, being someone that sits on the computer for pretty much the entire day, I use this mouse more than 8 hours at a time. And with the mouse being a little bit on the bigger side, I can really say the MX Master 3 is very comfortable to use, especially coming from a gaming mouse. Now, the MX Master 3 also has 6 programmable buttons, including the mouse wheel, and each of them can be customized to your needs using the Logitech Options software. Now, this is particularly useful if you have multiple apps that uses different macros, and you can program your mouse to have those different shortcuts. So for myself, I changed the side scroll wheel to navigate the timeline when I'm editing in Premiere Pro, which makes it very easy to scrub through footage instead of using the arrow keys. Now, speaking about the buttons, they are very satisfying to click. And I know with the Logitech MX Master 3S, the buttons are made to be a lot quieter. And this is what it sounds like if you're using it on a daily basis. Here's the left click and the right click. Now, a popular feature with the MX Master 3 is the scroll wheel. It comes with a hyper-fast scrolling feature, which makes it easy to scroll through documents and websites very quickly. But if that's not to your preference, you can switch the scroll wheel to a ratchet style instead for a more precise and tactile scroll. But definitely having both of those options is nice to have. And I can say with that scroll wheel, it does make those endless pages easier to scroll through. The MX Master 3 can connect to your computer either through Bluetooth or the USB receiver that it comes with. And the mouse also has a very long battery life that can last up to 70 days. And charging is even more convenient with the USB-C port on it, which makes the overall charging experience that much faster. Now, should you get this mouse in 2023? Personally, I'd only get this mouse if you can get it on sale, just because the Logitech MX3S is already out in the market for the same retail price. And the slight added benefits of it being more silent when you're clicking it could be a game changer if you're bringing this mouse to the office or other places where you don't have the same kind of privacy. This mouse is also great for productivity because of the different macros you can assign to specific apps and the scrolling features that this mouse has. Now, for some reasons why you shouldn't get this mouse. If you're primarily going to be gaming, there are other better mouse options for you. This mouse is also on the heavier side, so if you prefer a lighter peripheral, you might want to choose something else. Lastly, if you have smaller hands than I do, this mouse might be a little bit too big. I mean, for me, it's already pushing it in terms of size, but I think if your hand is a little bit smaller than mine, it might just turn out to be uncomfortable. But I definitely recommend going to the store and trying out one of their floor models before you get this mouse. Now, overall, the MX Master 3 is a great mouse, even in 2023. Now, if you found any value in this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to get notified for any future reviews, definitely subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.